Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate History channel on Roku TV step by step clearly. To activate the History channel on your Roku TV, start by powering on your device. Ensure your Roku TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Select streaming channels from the menu on the left. In the streaming channels section, go to the search channels option. Type in History channel using the on-screen keyboard. Highlight the History channel app from the search results. Press the OK button on your remote to select it. Once on the History channel app page, choose Add channel to install it. After the installation, return to the home screen. Locate the History channel app in your list of channels. Open the History channel app by pressing the OK button. An activation message will appear on your screen. Note the activation code provided in the message. Using a web browser, visit the activation website mentioned in the app. Enter the activation code into the required field on the website. Log in or create a History channel account if prompted. Once logged in, complete the activation process by following the on-screen instructions. After activation is successful, return to your Roku TV. Refresh the History channel app if necessary. You are now ready to enjoy the History channel on your Roku TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.